Today we're going to talk about color. Can you imagine a world without color? How dull and boring it would be. There's color in absolutely everything that you see. Birds, trees, flowers, in the different varieties of clothes that people wear, the sky, the ocean. And that's what makes our planet Earth such an exciting place to live in. When it comes to photography, color most certainly plays a very important role. So let's study some photographs and see how color can really define an image. As you can see, there are two predominant colors in the image, brown and blue. They are contrasting tones. Brown is a warm tone while blue is a cool tone. Another interesting feature is the color balancing. With around 90% blue in the picture, the eyes go straight to the subject, which is brown, as it stands out. A frame may have just one color, but you can see many different shades of the same color. Let's take a look at this example where you see only green, but you can see different shades of green. Light green, medium green, dark green, basically different intensities of green. Here is where in a frame you see two colors. Ideally, both the colors have to be complementary, which is when they stand out and the image looks strikingly good. Multiple colors. Here is where you see many different colors in a frame, normally seen in situations like a market or festivals, where the image almost looks like a celebration.